Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to your Cash app instantly. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously open up the Cash app. Once inside the Cash app, if we pretend that we're going to add money from an account, so here I'm just going to show an example to say add $25. So we're just going to say add $25. Then it's going to prompt me to add a bank using the debit card. Now at the minute there is no debit card link, so this is when we're going to now connect Chime. So we're just going to come back out of this section, and then we're going to click on the top right hand corner for our profile icon and then scroll all the way down onto linked banks. Once in this section, then we can look at our current accounts that we have linked, and I'm just going to replace the Wells Fargo bank for this example. Okay, then once it loads, you're going to be shown this page that's link your bank account. So we're just going to click continue. And here from this page, it's going to show you all the institutions that can be linked with Cash app. And as you can see, Chime is right at the top there for us to select. So if you select that and then you go through the instructions on how to set up the account, it will then prompt you to log in to Chime and then continue with the setup process. Once that is then set up, you can then add money from Chime to Cash app and vice versa. You can go from Cash app to Chime. So that's it. That is how to transfer money from Chime to Cash app. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.